Knowing trees, I understand the meaning of patience. Knowing grass, I appreciate resistance. Quote from Harold Barland. It's mid-spring. These are last days of the harsh winter in ORAVA region. We couldn't miss the moments to enjoy the last crunches of snow and the cold air that burns face so deep. A little more and everything will come to life in this frozen kingdom. Rabbits, deer, and birds will come out to meet the sunny spring. We will rush on a real-life ORAVA safari and try to film the real life of these creatures. But now, in the meantime, these trees are still pulling up their blankets and trying to catch up on their last winter dreams.
Bevo!
We don't even want to make a fire, just not to disturb their eternal peace.
Potem, matakaj. Počkaj.